I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you? Yeah, go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
Alright guys, nice to see you back again. This is Luis. We are off for our next adventure. We are heading to North Shore again. Lena's currently in university, so I had to pack all of our stuff. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's the old crew basically, and hopefully we have a nice, awesome weekend, because I have to leave for Germany on Sunday. Be with us, have fun, and enjoy.
Surf, man. I want to surf. I want to have a good time. I want to stay on the farm, pet some puppies, eat some good food with the homies, and I want to have a good time with you guys.
To spend quality time with the friends that some of them are gonna leave, so I really want to spend some time before they do that.
Hi, my name's Maria. How are you? I'm excited to sleep on the beach because I've never slept on the beach. We had a camper van. We slept in the van, but not on the beach. And we had a campfire and stuff, and we had some marshmallows, which is really nice. Enjoying my last days with good friends, good vibes, crazy good surf. It's gonna be fun. Have fun, I guess.
My name's Ryan, yo, and I'm from Australia. I'll be applying sunscreen to everybody, and then I'll be catching some gnarly barrels myself.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry?
Alright guys, so we just arrived at North Shore. The girls are going for a small pee. We are grabbing some food from Foodland, and then we meet up with Brody and Martin to visit their farm, check out the small puppies.
I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early.
woke up, we actually cuddled with the puppies, made some omelette, had banana pancakes, and explored the farm.
Reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there's no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh. Burn these blocks down a couple miles.
We left the farm to go serve Lonnie's, but it was actually a really bad session, so we had some footage, but it wasn't the best.
Just got me thinking we're in here up in clouds, 'cause there ain't nobody else than you. With sparkles when we meet, gold dust on my cheeks, 'cause there ain't nobody else than you. Oh, all those daydreams and wishes to overcome, oh, that's all about you. Empty promises could even be my friends again, since there ain't nobody else than you. Rub me of bitterness, borrow my
We spent our last hours on North Shore at Sunset Beach watching the sunset and hanging out.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling, but the feeling.
On Luis's last day, he was packing all his stuff, and we went to watch the sunset one last time.
Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
The next morning, I took Luis to the airport, and I cried my eyes out. It was the worst thing ever, but just stay tuned for the next videos to see what is happening with Luis, if he's coming back, if not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bone, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back
back where I belong. I want it all.